In state budget, Ajit Pawar announced Lek Ladki scheme. He emphasized that women are the foundation of families. Recognizing the government's responsibility to support these women, he introduced Lek Maji Ladki scheme. This comprehensive and ambitious initiative aims at holistic development of women, focusing on self-reliance. Under the scheme, eligible women aged from 21 to 60 will receive 1500 per month. An annual fund of rupees 46,000 crores will be allocated for this purpose, with the implementation set to begin in July 2024. Additionally, this scheme includes plan to empower 25 lakh women as Lakpati Didi, along with introduction of 10,000 pink rickshaws and Annapurna scheme. It has been declared that 25 lakh women will be benefited under the Lakpati Didi scheme. Additionally, the Annapurna Yojana will be launched with 10,000 pink rickshaws. By entering the industrial sector, they can secure employment opportunities. Annually, the Chief Minister will introduce a work training program for 1 million young women to get practical work experience with 10,000 beneficiaries each year. A budget of 10 crores will be allocated for this initiative. Ajit Pawar has announced that job training will be given to 50,000 youth every year. Big announcements have been made for students in this state budget session. Employment to 10 lakh youth every year, emphasis on entrepreneurial training programs, funding for AI research and establishment of medical colleges in various districts and state. International Scuba Diving Center to be started in Sindhudurg. Ajit Pawar announced that a total of rupees 5190 crore has been announced for the farmers as a part of Mahatma Jyotirao Phule Farmers Death Relief Scheme for those who consistently repay their crop loans. Additionally, a solar power project is scheduled to be established in Sangli. Over next 2 years, 163 irrigation projects are expected to be finalized. Rupees 15,000 crores are being arranged to supply electricity to farmers during the day. A subsidy of rupees 5 for cow milk has been announced in state budget session for farmers. Additionally, cotton and soybean farmers will be given rupees 500 per hectare. It has been decided to give a subsidy of rupees 5 per litre for cow's milk. Additionally, rupees 78,000 crores will be allocated to the health centers for diagnosis of breast and uterus cancer, and old ambulances will be replaced with the new ones. Under Har Ghar Nal and Har Ghar Jal Yojana initiative, more than 1 crore houses have been connected to tap water. The Ashtasutri Women Policy was recently unveiled, outlining plans to introduce initiatives focusing on nutrition, employment and skill development for women. This includes programs like Lek Ladki Yojana, Janani Suraksha Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Matru Yojana. Ajit Pawar also announced implementation of schemes like tax exemption for working women and Shakti Yojana.